Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Nissan Pathfinder cabin air filter. First, open your glove box on the passenger side and remove all contents. Next, carefully detach the dampener arm on the right side. Then, press in on both sides of the glove box to release the stop tabs, allowing it to swing down further. This reveals the filter housing cover, making it easy to access. Once the glove box is fully open, you will see the cabin air filter housing. There are usually two small clips on the cover. Unclip these to release it. Gently pull the cover off and set it aside. Now, carefully slide the old cabin air filter straight out of its slot. Pay attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter, as this is crucial for correct installation. Before installing your new filter, check its airflow arrow. It should point in the same direction as the old one, typically downwards or towards the back of the car. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing until it's fully seated. Make sure it fits snugly without bending. Then, replace the filter housing cover, ensuring both clips snap firmly into place to secure it. Finally, lift the glove box and re-engage the stop tabs on both sides. Reattach the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. Close the glove box, and you're all set. Replacing your cabin air filter regularly improves air quality and HVAC efficiency. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy cleaner air in your Pathfinder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.